Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox. Please confirm your identity error. Okay, so the very first thing we have to do, we have to just go to the Play Store here, and after just going to the Play Store, you have to search Roblox. And after doing it, you have to make sure that you are using updated version. So here you can see that I'm getting option to update here, so make sure to update the app right now. Okay, and after updating the app, you have to go to the settings icon of Roblox. Okay, so how to do it, just go to your setting of your phone. So I will search here setting, and I will just go here, and you have to scroll a little bit down, and you have to click on app management. After that, go to the app list. It will load for a few seconds depending upon the apps that is present in your phone. So let it load, and after that you have to select the Roblox. Okay, so just search the Roblox. I have an option to search here, and I will do it. And after doing it, you have to click on storage usage. After clicking on it, you have to clear all the cache. After clearing the cache, this may fix a problem. So try to reopen the app, and this may fix a problem, but if it doesn't, then you have to clear data. So after clearing the data, you may reopen the app and you have to relog into it, and this will fix all your problem. Okay, so this is it guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.